Dear students, please note down. These notes are available in the description of video. Please download your notes. Dear students, in today's lecture, I will clear venous system of pigeon. In our last lecture, we have discussed arterial system, and in today's lecture, I will discuss venous system of pigeon. Dear students, in case of birds, in case of ewes, pigeon, this venous system consists of following four systems. One is pulmonary system. In this pulmonary system, oxygenated blood from lungs that is carried via left and right pulmonary veins. It means from the lungs, oxygenated blood is carried by a pair of blood vessels. These are right and left pulmonary veins, and both right and left pulmonary veins unite to produce a common pulmonary vein, and this common pulmonary vein opens here in this left atrium. It means left atrium, or this left side of heart, that receives oxygenated blood, while this right side of heart, this right auricle, it receives deoxygenated blood from all over the body except lungs. Second system is vena cava. In this venous system of pigeon, three large vena cava. Out of these, two are anterior, or these are right and left precaval, and third one is postcaval. In vena cava system, three large blood vessels, two anterior, or these are right and left precavals, and third one is postcaval. Each anterior vena cava or each right and left precaval, it gives two branches. One is common jugular, and the second one is subclavian. Dear students, note down, this common jugular, it collects blood from all over the brain head region, and this common jugular, it gives two branches. This one is internal jugular, and this blood vessel, it is external jugular. It means in this anterior region, in the head region, this common jugular, it gives two branches. One is internal jugular, and this one is external jugular veins. This internal jugular vein that collects blood from brain, while this external jugular vein, it brings blood from the superficial parts of head region. Both sides of this internal jugular, it unites and it produces a network in head region, and that network is jugular anastomosis. Dear students, each right and left precaval or anterior vena cava having two branches. This one is common jugular, and this common jugular having internal jugular that collects blood from brain, while this external jugular that brings deoxygenated blood from all parts of head region. Both sides of internal jugular unite to produce a network in skull region, in head region, and that network is jugular anastomosis. This common jugular also receives blood from neck and cervical vertebrae, and these blood vessels are vertebral veins. This second blood vessel, it is subclavian, and this subclavian having two branches. This one is brachial. Dear students, this brachial vein, it brings deoxygenated blood from wings, while this second branch, that is pectoral vein, and this pectoral vein that brings blood from the pectoral muscles of wings, as well as it receives deoxygenated blood from the ventral thoracic wall through internal mammary veins. Then this post cable. Dear students, this post cable, large blood vessel which collects deoxygenated blood from all over the lower parts of body. And this post cable, it receives several blood vessels. From this posterior part, this blood vessel, it is caudal vein. Note down this caudal vein. It means this caudal vein brings deoxygenated blood from the muscles of tail region, and immediately it bifurcates into two branches, and these branches are renal portal veins. Both renal portal veins unite to produce a renal portal system. And dear students, in case of birds, pigeon, ewes, the renal portal system is vestigial, it is non-functional. Note down each and every point. And this renal portal vein of each side, it receives following blood vessels. One is internal iliac. This is internal iliac. From each side, one internal iliac. And this internal iliac, it collects blood from this lower part, pelvic region of body. Second blood vessel is renal vein. These are renal veins, and these renal veins collect blood from the renal chambers. Third one is, it is sciatic, and this sciatic vein from each side, it receives deoxygenated blood from thigh region and shank of hind limb. The next branch is, this one is femoral. This is femoral, and this femoral vein, it collects deoxygenated blood from the femoral muscles of thigh region. Then the renal portal veins from each side emerge through this anterior lobe of kidney, and here it gives iliac vein. Iliac veins of both sides unite to produce this large blood vessel. It is post cable. And dear students, this post cable also receives a few veins from liver. These are hepatic veins. Then this system is hepatic portal system, and this system was renal portal system. In case of pigeon, this renal portal system is non-functional, it is greatly reduced, it is vestigial. And this hepatic portal system, in this hepatic portal system, deoxygenated blood from all over the parts of alimentary canal collected, and the blood is carried to liver. In this hepatic portal system, several blood vessels are. One, the main characteristic feature of birds, pigeon, that blood vessel is coccygeomesenteric. A characteristic feature of pigeon, this blood vessel, coccygeomesenteric, which arises just before the bifurcation of this caudal vein. And this coccygeomesenteric vein, it receives following blood vessels. One is posterior mesenteric. Dear students, this posterior mesenteric, this blood vessel collects deoxygenated blood from lower parts, means hind part of alimentary canal, like rectum, cloaca. And this anterior mesenteric, this blood vessel collects, it receives deoxygenated blood from the small intestine, particularly from the ileum, then the gastroduodenal. And this gastroduodenal vein, it receives deoxygenated blood from stomach and duodenum. Now it becomes hepatic portal vein, and this hepatic portal vein also receives epigastric vein. And this epigastric vein, it collects blood from greater omentum. Greater omentum, not on competition exam student, that is a food containing tissue, that is a peritoneum, a membranous fold by which stomach gets attached with the body wall, abdominal wall. Then coronary system. In case of Pigeon, 4 systems are there. One is pulmonary system. In this, oxygenated blood from both lungs that is carried via right and left pulmonary veins, and both right and left pulmonary veins unite to produce a common pulmonary, and that common pulmonary vein opens here in this left atrium. Then the vena cava. In case of Pigeon, 3 main vena cava. These are anterior and this one is posterior. These anterior or right left precavals, and this one is post. These anterior vena cava which brings deoxygenated blood from upper parts of body, from head region, from brain, from neck, as well as from the wings. And this post cava which brings deoxygenated blood from the lower parts of body. And this third system, that is hepatic portal system. In this system, very characteristic feature of Pigeon, that is coccygeomesenteric. And this coccygeomesenteric which arises just before the bifurcation of this caudal vein, and it receives posterior mesenteric from the lower parts of alimentary canal like rectum and cloaca. And this anterior mesenteric blood, it receives blood from small intestine, while this gastroduodenal that collects blood from stomach and duodenum, and it becomes now hepatic portal. And this hepatic portal also receives epigastric, and this epigastric vein that collects blood from the greater omentum, a food laden peritoneum, a fold. Then the fourth system in this venous system, that is coronary system. Dear students, in this coronary system, deoxygenated blood from the muscles of heart, that deoxygenated blood of heart that is received by a few fine coronary veins, and all coronary veins unite to produce a large coronary sinus, and that coronary sinus opens here in this right atrium. The opening of coronary sinus, that opening is guarded by a wall, that is sebaceous wall, and the sebaceous wall that prevents backflow of blood. Dear students, this is all about venous system of Pigeon.